Hey y'all, today I will be installing my new custom steering wheel with the shifters from Destroyed Customs today. I'm excited to install this on my 2014 IS350 F Sport, which I call my baby Riker. So let's get into it. Let's get into this packaging for a second. Like, this packaging is like so legit. I knew instantly when it came in the mail, it was definitely from Destroyed Customs. Look at that. I'll tell you what's really, okay. Now what we need to do is bring this all the way. I think I got two. Shit. Damn, this one's white. There we go. It's here. Oh my gosh, look at